Hello, Healing Spot community. We are hiring. So I wanted to pop in here. I know I have been a little bit MIA on doing any Facebook Lives. And part of it's because I was on an amazing vacation. And I loved it. And it was nice to actually step away from the clinic for a little bit. And Bree was still answering the phone, and Petra was still working on keeping social media going. It was just a very refreshing time for me because I have the staff that I need now in order to step away and know that the business is still going to be there when I get back. So that was great. So I started back this week. I'm back in the office, seeing patients again, and just really feeling refreshed. Anyway, we are hiring, and I know I'm hiring for a physical therapist this time. So I know I have other professionals that are part of this group that have popped into the Healing Spot community because you're interested in the information that we share, and you're interested as a professional. So I'm going to take the off chance that maybe one of you in this group is possibly looking for a job, maybe looking to relocate to Colorado, and would love to join me in my practice. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I'm hiring. I have two locations. One is in Woodland Park and one is in Colorado Springs. And I'm getting to the point in the Colorado Springs office that I have a waiting list. And so for new evaluations, some people are having to wait 3 weeks or longer to get in. And so it is time. I need some help, and I'm looking for the right therapist to join me in my practice to help me love on my patients. Someone that's going to be kind of like another kind of person like me, right? That absolutely loves what they do, loves to help women with pain management, chronic pain, complex issues, but also and women's health issues. So really what I'm looking at, and I will post the job ad below so you can check it out, but because I need somebody that has similar values to me and has similar clinical skills to me. So I'm looking for something specific. One is either you have been trained by John Barnes and you do myofascial release and you have experience with that, or you have experience as a women's health physical therapist, because we see a lot of women that have very specific women's health issues, but I do tend to see a fair amount of women that have like pain issues that isn't related to pregnancy or postpartum. But because I do so much myofascial release and do the principles that John has taught, that I'm really looking for a specific person. Now, a perfect candidate is going to be both. Going to have John Barnes myofascial release training and is a women's health physical therapist. So, but I should say, you don't necessarily have to be a PT. I'm also considering a physical therapy assistant, as well as occupational therapist, because it's within your scope of practice to do internal pelvic floor work. And so that's what I need. And while I love my massage therapy friends, I cannot accept a resume for a massage therapist just because of the scope of practice. We see a fair amount of pelvic floor work, and it's just not within your scope of practice in Colorado to do internal work. And because I can't give direct line of supervision with that, because my goal is to have my helper down in Colorado Springs, and I'm going to stay up here in Woodland Park. So anyway, I'm going to give you the link below. And if you know of anybody that wants to move to beautiful Colorado and wants to join me, please share the link. I would be so appreciative because I really am looking for the right person to join me in my practice. Okay. Thank you so much for helping me spread the word, and talk to you soon.